Hello, my name is Micah Yase and I'm doing a video for Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. And I'm just sharing my journey and experiences, while learning how to trade. And some of these experiences I would love to share would be about things that I learned. So one was Saad Ali is a very gifted guy. He's a very smart guy, intelligent guy. He teaches you how to set up a brokerage account with MetaTrader 4. That's the first thing. And then he teaches you also how to learn the importance of support and resistance. He teaches you about Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, timelines and channels, mindset, risk management, candlesticks, also how to read and analyze charts on TradingView. He also serves as a mentor and walk you step by step, and there are tons of video, very simple to understand. And he also have a group called Forex for Beginners Family on Facebook. And I encourage anyone who is interested in learning how to trade. He's always assisting and he's very punctual in responding when you do have a question or there's something you're struggling with. All you have to do is send a message and someone will be responding in a promptly manner. Another thing, this is absolutely free. Absolutely free. So if you are interested in trading, go ahead and join the group. Check his videos out. If it's something like you like to do, it never hurts to acquire knowledge. So I'd like to say thank you to Saad Ali for all of this knowledge. And again, everything was absolutely free. I do have a low confidence. I do have a great amount of confidence in understanding what the market is saying or what the charts are reading. And all of this is because of Saad Ali. And I say thank you very much for investing your time and giving knowledge for free. And you are a blessing to this world. You are a very great God. Thanks for all the help. And I look forward to learning a whole lot more with you.